Alright, guys, we are Walmart and the Hot Wheels Premium. I think this is a bingo. Let's go. Alright, and I think we had the complete set though. Alright, guys, once again, we are Walmart. Wait, I think we have a Teen Transport 2026 over here with us. I think this is a bingo. Let's go. '61, 1961 Impala. Horizon Hauler Camión de Transport. Okay. And we had a 2020 Toyota GR Supra. Wow. Sexy. I love this one. I like all of them. I like three of them. Alright, guys. We are Walmart and the Hot Wheels Premium. We have a 77 Toyota Celica. Wow. Let's go. I can't believe I got this set. Toyota E86 Sprinter Treno. Wow. Very cool. Datsun 620. Wow. We have a Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR LBWK. Nice. Wait, I think I'm missing one. I think I'm missing the 88 Honda CRX. Let me see if it's still here. I'm missing the Honda, but this is still good. I'm not gonna lie. Only missing one. So I can't complain. That's good. Let's go. We have a 1995 Honda NXX RGT. Wow. This one is hot. This is a good find. You can see that Beamer from Majorette. 1975 BMW 3.0 CSL. Let's go. All right. And I think we had the complete set though. 1955 Porsche 550 Spider. 1965 Ford GT40 NK1. Okay, okay. We have a 1985 Chevrolet Camaro. And 2005 Chevrolet Corvette 6R.